Y'all, welcome back to another video, and today I will be cleaning and detailing the interior of my new F-100. Quite dirty in here, so I'm gonna give it a good vacuum, probably take the seat out and the carpet, maybe, because you can just easily lift it up. And the seat's gonna need a good scrubbing, a good clean. The carpet's gonna need some shampoo. So hopefully we can get it looking real nice in here. Up, out towards your side.
Gotta go.
As far as you can. Pick it up. Just got the seat out. What's behind it, Luke?
A hat.
What the heck?
The frick, is that a manual?
A journal. Grab it. What? What's in there? Is it empty?
It's empty. Yeah.
Oh, it's empty. It's quite nasty.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Yeah, please go wash your hands. There's a lot of stuff in there. Ooh, a lotto ticket, maybe. What does that say? Anchorage, Alaska. Whoa, Alaska. Oh, I'm not gonna touch any of this till I get some good gloves on, but yeah, we got the seat out. Now I'm gonna vacuum this out, make it really nice, and then probably take the carpet out and see what's under there. Surprises. Let's see. Okay, so we got a hairbrush. Okay. Very girly hairbrush. Probably his girlfriend or something. What the heck is this? Ooh. Oh, it says Google. It's like one of those Hey Google things. This is a charger for the Google thing. Wait, no, it says Samsung. That is a Samsung charger, but it does work for the Google thing. Okay. Other than that, just some trash, you know? Yeah, he had a Baby Ruth. Yep, some Velveeta. And just a napkin. Not very exciting like the last truck. Found a bunch of bottles of liquor and whiskey and stuff. That was just super funny. Go watch the other video for that on Bluebell. So yeah, that's really it. There's not much until we go to the seat and see what the seat has. Okay, y'all, here we go. We're gonna take this seat cover off and make sure that he wasn't lying whenever he said that there was no tears and no rips. So here we go. We're gonna check it out. I'm sure the seat's gonna be a little dirty. I'm gonna have to clean it. Let me get my gloves on. This is the notebook journal that was in the back of the seat. It's empty. Let's see. Looking good so far. Voila. Y'all need to comment down below. Tell me if you like it with the seat cover on or with it off better. Because I'm not even sure if that really matches the truck. Because the truck seems more if it's like a red and white and it's red and yellow there. So I'm gonna get it nice and clean and then hopefully put it back in the truck. Anchorage, Alaska hat. This is disgusting. I'm gonna toss this in trash. Unless someone wants it, comment down below if you want it. So yeah, that's disgusting. Ooh, good old air freshener. That's why the truck smells kind of weird. Lucky Bucks lottery ticket. Huh. Check that out. What the heck is this? Huh? What does that say? I don't know. But it has some numbers on it. I'm trying to get this really nice, guys. Comment down below any like leather cleaning solutions if you have any, because I don't think this is even working very good, but it's pretty dirty. Okay guys, so what I just did, I just took all the seat belts and the seatbelt bolts off right there, because I'm gonna take the carpet out and just see what's underneath it, because I can already lift it up a little bit, so why not, might as well just go take it all out and see what's under there. Looks like they replaced that or something like that. I have no clue. It could have been a manual on the floor and they probably changed it or something. I have no clue. This is the sound deadener. Doesn't look too bad, to be honest. Let's get this out. It actually looks very solid. Not very, but pretty solid, you know? Check it out, that's the only solid part, the only unsolid part right there. Some pretty bad welds, you know, but other than that, it's pretty solid. I don't know what this is, but looks good. All looks fine. Got it all vacuumed out now. Should be pretty good. Now I gotta wipe down all this stuff. Can't wait to see what the fuel tank looks like when I wipe it down. I just put the carpet back in, and all this mess is because I did new Velcro strips, because these ones were a little jacked up, because this thing's gotta go up. I don't know why, but it's just like that. So yeah, that surprisingly worked very, very good. It's nice and up there. It's not coming down. It's gonna be real nice.